Ladies and gentlemen, 6 years on, nothing seems to have changed as far as administration is concerned. Look at Chennai. The deluge has revived grim memories of 2015. There's tremendous anger on the ground. Let's debate.
Inundated streets, overflowing lakes and incessant rains left residents to wade through knee-deep waters in Chennai.
We are here at Ashok Nagar. This is just outside the Reserve Bank of India staff quarters, and as you can see, this is not only flooding we can see here, but we can also see people who are struggling to move out here and go in and around this area. There, if I can just ask my BJ to zoom in, you can see also that the entire tree has fallen and has disrupted and blocked the entire passage.
The heavy force of the rain left behind a trail of destruction in the city, uprooting trees and wrecking bridges. Several parts of the city remain severely waterlogged, with nearly 4,000 complaints flooding helplines. The popular Marina Beach too was submerged following the intense spell of rain. Rescue operations are underway on a war footing, with several NDRF battalions deployed. And amid the numerous distress reports of citizens, Police Inspector Rajeshwari's valiant effort as she carried an unconscious man and her soldiers to safety won hearts from all around.
மரம் விழுந்து சொல்லிட்டு ஒர்க் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருந்தோம், மரத்தெல்லாம் ரிமூவ் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருந்தோம். ஒரு கால்ஸ் வந்துருந்தது, இது மாதிரி வந்து கல்லறை சாலையில் வந்து ஒருத்தர் வந்து இறந்து கிடக்கிறாருன்னு. சரி, நாங்கள் உடனே எங்கே விழுந்து அவசரமாக ஓடுறோம், என் டீமை கொண்டு உள்ளே போகிறோம். கல்லறைக்குள்ளே தேடிக்கிட்டு அவங்க உள்ளே போனால் ஒரு சின்ன இடத்துல வந்து அப்படியே அவர் படுத்து கிடக்கிறாரு. ஃபுல்லாக வந்து மழையில் அப்படியே ஊறி நனைஞ்சி போயிருந்தார்.
Amid the deluge, the politicians have only passed the buck.
அதாவது 10 வருஷமாக அதிமுக ஆட்சி நடந்தது. அம்மையார் ஜெயலலிதா முதலமைச்சர் வந்திருக்கிறாங்க, ஓபிஎஸ் முதலமைச்சர் வந்திருக்கிறாரு, எடப்பாடி பழனிசாமி முதலமைச்சர் வந்திருக்கிறாரு. அதாவது இந்த மழை வெள்ளத்தில் பாதிப்பு வரும்போது அதுக்காக கிட்டத்தட்ட 3000 கோடி 4000 கோடியெல்லாம் ஒதுக்கி இதை என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னே தெரியல. அவ்வளோ மோசமாக நிர்வாகத்தை நடத்தியிருக்கிறாங்க. அதனால தான் இன்றைக்கி வந்து சென்னை நகரத்தில் அங்கங்கே தண்ணி தேங்கி நிற்கிது.
Even as the politicians bicker and citizens suffer, our forces continue to lead by example.
So 5 years after 2015, the flooding then, nothing seems to have changed. Who's responsible? Bharat Kumar, I want you to just give your view. Who's responsible for the situation in Chennai?
So I would blame it as political apathy and political venality. Majority of it is basically the blame game that's been there, because last 50 years, one party or the another, the rule has been with them for the last 50 years. And if you say now today, the previous government or the previous government now saying the present ruling government has not done anything, it becomes a joke among the people. Now, see, for the last 50 years, this government or that government, and they have been holding their forte in Chennai too. And now to see Chennai at this condition is really, I mean, the sense of helplessness has now crept in among people. And the blame game has really made things more messier at the ground. But I hope the government...
But who's responsible for the state of affairs today? Today, the Madras High Court says for half the year we are made to cry for water, and for another half we are made to die in water. Who's responsible for the state of affairs? Surya. SG Surya is spokesperson of BJP Tamil Nadu. Surya, you heard that? Vikraman, you heard that? Was anything implemented since 2015? You heard that, Surya? Yeah, who's responsible? Surya, let's be clear. Will any political party accept it or keep passing the buck?
No, Arnab, just give me 2 minutes. You said about the Madras High Court. Last year on December 10th, during a hearing, the High Court has appreciated the then state government, saying that they handled the rainwater crisis properly. During the same hearing, a DMK...
No, what happened to the Smart City project?
Has appreciated
no,
the
5,000 crores were invested in building stormwater drains. I am told after 2015, If 5,000 crores was spent, why is the city knee deep in floods today?
That is because the current government has failed to clean the storm drain cleaning,
Oh.
which usually happens in the August of every year. So this year, August, it should have been cleaned, but only 1/4 of the storm drain cleaning
Vikraman.
was done by the current government.
Yeah,
I'll
that
give
is
you
a
a classic
blatant lie.
example.
I
I'll
would-
give you a
no, that
classic
is a blatant
example.
lie. I would like
Please
to
give me
refute
1
it
minute.
right away.
Just 1 minute.
When he is trying to bluff a thing in the national media, I would want to remind him one thing. The last assembly election, while it was a campaign, the former Chief Minister, Mr. Edappadi Palanichami, has told the people in broad daylight that they have spent 1,000+ crores of money to do the stormwater drains and clean the underwater canals, the stormwater canals and all, to make the city flood free. That video is still in the rounds and it's becoming viral now.
But
So
the
how would
drain
he
cleaning
respond to
should
that
happen
now?
every year, Vikraman. Something you forget.
Yes, it is happening. Yes, it is happening. What I would
Arnab,
like to ask here is, what has the
Arnab,
government of
Arnab,
that day,
the ruling
of that
party
day, for the
MLA
10 years, what they have done? They have spent crores and crores of money in the name of
Arnab,
stormwater
today
drains,
the
a smart
ruling
city
party
project,
MLA
and
from
they have said
Arnab,
290 crores
MLA
have
from
been
DM
spent. No, let me finish this. They have said 290 crores have been spent.
No, but Vikraman, why
for
wasn't the state
restructuring
government prepared?
335
Vikraman,
locations.
maybe Vijay Krishna can come in on this. The Met Department on 8th November predicted heavy rainfall for the coming 5 days
you give me 2
after the
minutes,
city
please?
received the highest overnight rains on 7th. So you should have been prepared. You should have been prepared. You had the information.
No, we have been prepared, but this is very much.
Did you not know there'd be waterlogging, Vijay?
No, this is very much unprecedented
Krishna.
because they have done a major damage. For the 10 years they have done the damage. How do you expect the government for just 7 months, a baby of 7 months can handle this? We have been handling corona ever since we have taken charge. And immediately this has come. Just
May I be allowed
imagine,
to
10
speak?
years they have done the enough damage.
Maybe-
And you expect the 7-month baby to do this? We are handling the crisis very well, better than the
Vijay.
2015 flood of the.
No, again,
S2IA
Surya is
ADMK
responding
government
constantly.
led by Mr. Jayalalitha.
Surya is speaking constantly.
We have done a great thing.
Corporation.
We have done the opening of Chambrambakam
Anna, please
Lake
give me
was,
2 minutes.
given to
I'll explain you.
engineers to decide
A
it.
sitting
Unlike
MLA
the
from
previous
DMK
government
party
which has been
is
sleeping
telling
on it,
the
which made
carelessness of the
total
Chennai Corporation
go under
officials
floods.
came to light only yesterday. I'll give you a classic example, Arnab. An entire area of T Nagar, Ashok Nagar, Kodambakam, close to 500,000 people are residing in this part of the city, wherein there are drains. But the Chennai Corporation has dumped the debris there to the extent of 1.5 kilometers. The canal, which is
What
of
is the
5
proof?
What is totally
the proof?
dumped. Who's
What is the
responsible?
proof?
Who
And
should
I
have
would-
cleaned
I would
it?
like to mention
The
one more
DMK
thing
MLA
here.
is telling,
This
DMK MLA Mr.
government, the
Karunanidhi
previous
is
AADK
telling
government
that I
did
am
not
appalled
allow
with
the
the corporation
corporation
officials
elections to
for not
happen.
taking care of this.
Do you-
Who runs the
do you
Chennai
believe-
Corporation?
do you believe a
An
city of this
incompetent chief
magnitude,
minister
Chennai, the
has
city
put
of
the
this
city to
magnitude did
shambles.
not have
This has been
elected
proven.
councillors
Your
for
sitting
their
MLA is
corporation.
giving statements. Go
So
and
the
read
Smart
the
City
Times of
project was
India
a total
statement.
scam.
Go and read the Times
Surya,
of
do not
India
bluff
report.
here.
Sitting MLA
I know
from
who
T
are you, do
Nagar,
not bluff
Mr.
here, okay?
Karunanidhi is telling, I am appalled with the Chennai Corporation officials. To an extent of 2
No,
kilometers,
but what is
you have
this?
dumped
No,
the debris,
but
then how
Bharat
is the
Kumar
water
also.
flow away?
No, but Bharat Kumar equally you can ask what is the center doing? Center, I'm told, signed a $251 million loan for climate resilient integrated urban flood protection and management for the in the Chennai basin to strengthen the resilience of Chennai city to floods. Where did the money go? Where is the money? There's a lot of money being
Arnab, when
spent.
you dump-
Where is the money going? People should ask this
when
now.
You dump, when
No,
you
no, total. Bharat,
Situation where they're asking you,
Bharat, I want to tell the people of Chennai, in the name of controlling floods in your city, thousands of crores is apparently being spent.
Chief Justice
Exactly.
of Madras High
See,
Court
we
has
have reached
questioned
a
the same
point where
thing.
we cannot say
What
an
has the
excuse by saying we are
corporation
just
been
7
doing
months old.
since
And
2015 floods?
Vikram, let me complete, Vikram.
How
We
much
cannot
has
say
spent
that we
on
are
it?
just
What is
7
the
months
money
old
spent? What is
and
the
we are
record of
trying
it?
to
That is
set
the
things
Chief
right
Justice
or
has asked.
blame the
And now
previous
he's
government. All the
transferred-
previous government
now
blaming them
he's transferred.
because
That
it
is
is the
raising
city where
alarm
Stalin
here.
had been a mayor.
No, that is
It is the
raising
city where
questions
Stalin
here.
was
We
elected
are
as mayor,
skeptical about
and
the
it is the
transfer of the
city
Chief
where the
Justice of
smart
Madras
city
High
project
Court.
and the ADMK and DMK, both the governments posted that they did very well to clean up the stormwater drain. So the blame is equally on both the parties, and now DMK cannot say that they are just 7 months old and shy away from this and saying that we are setting things right. See, they have been here power for alternate periods right from 1989, 91. They have been in alternate regimes over here. Now to say that we are just 7 months old. See, Chennai has been the foot of DMK, and the worst hit areas today are including that of Stalin's
Vijay.
constituency. See, I know they are taking up works, but the point is we should have been more prepared. I'm not saying they are not doing anything on the ground. Another point is the catchment areas have become real estate sharks, places where they are sold, and residential areas have come up in all these catchment areas, and the official apathy and the political apathy in letting them take away all those places has led to this kind of flooding. And it is time that every politician, forget which party he is, if he is representing that particular constituency, he has to act fast, and the government has to find those offenders who have been, these water bodies have been drained with a lot of their plastic waste and everything. Over 1 ton of waste was recovered yesterday. So this is the case in Chennai where within 3 months, I'll assure you, Arnab, 3 months after today, you visit Chennai, you can see all those places, especially Velachery and other areas which are flooded. There will be catchy advertisements saying new apartments are coming, new flats are coming, and fancy prices will be put, and there will be people vying to buy them hand in glove with politicians. This has been the case, and this has led to
So
all
you're
this
saying,
drama.
you're saying Bharat and Vijay, the point that he's making is that it's not so much mismanagement, that it is corruption. And viewers, waterlogging is not such a big issue. The way politicians are talking about it, I can tell you, there are at least 7,000-8,000 crore rupees between center and state governments that have been allocated only to solve the problem of waterlogging in Chennai. And people of Chennai, please understand, unless somebody ate that money up, this would not have happened. Vijay Krishna, are people of Chennai asking that question? Are they asking the question about corruption, not just mismanagement?
Thank you for having. Yeah, I would like to tell you, Arnab, Revenue Minister, Disaster Management Minister Ramachandran caught napping. He took this monsoon to be as usual. He did not learn from the past mistakes. Already we went through a trauma in the year 2015. But the then government really worked hard to mitigate the flood problem. But here the DMK government, which is hell bent on destroying Hinduism or removing Brahmin priests from the temples, they only believe in photo ops. And recently our Honorable Chief Minister did not wish us on Diwali. Please understand. Please, I would like to tell DMK government has failed in all respects. Now today, the entire country is looking at how you have mismanaged the entire scenario. We are suffering more than 200 mm rainfall, 200 mm rainfall, and you are not in the scene just because our honorable chief minister comes to the scene.
Is that not the right to worship God? Is there not the right to privacy? Is there not the right to life with dignity?
200 acres have been waterlogged.
Why are you bringing politics in it?
Surya.
What is a Brahmin priest being taken out from the temple is have to do with this?
5.8 kilometers long, which is supposed to take away the rainwater from the city, was dumped with debris for 1.7 kilometers, and the corporation wakes up after this disaster. Shouldn't they have found out this few days back, or at least months back, when the meteorological department was telling you that it is going to rain heavily? This
And
is
what
complete
happened?
misadministration.
Surya, equally to you, can you tell us how much money did the state government get when ADMK was in power under the Smart City project? What happened to that money? This 1.7 kilometers that has been blocked, has it been blocked after the DMK came to power? How much of that debris was lying since the ADMK was in power? No, I don't want to see, I want an answer.
But is it not the government's job? Is it not the government's job to check before the rains, to check whether debris is there, rainwater movement is proper or not?
No, but it makes no sense.
Arnab,
You know, by your
during UPA
logic, By your logic, the people of Chennai should now find out that out of the 1.7 kilometers of debris, how much is DMK debris? How much is ADMK debris? Will it help? Ladies and gentlemen, it's a disaster. At the root of mismanagement is always corruption. And I've always held a view that mismanagement, very quickly, people in Chennai, I want to tell you, your politicians will tell you mismanagement. Please don't believe them. Tell them it's corruption. Mismanagement is a softer word. The real issue is corruption. Chennai has been sinking because of corruption. We need a resolution to corruption nationally. And ladies and gentlemen, before I go, one quick response. Brajesh Gupta says, 1 year since that day, and look, either your conspirators are behind bars or running from the country. I'm very proud of myself that from day one, I supported Republic, and today my trust has emerged more powerful in your network. Brajesh, the support of people like you keeps us stronger and keeps us afloat. And I shall see you tomorrow at 9. Good night, ladies and gentlemen, and goodbye.